The song We Praise You by Matt Redman from his album Let There Be Wonder is capoed on the 2nd fret with both guitars. The acoustic is just a straightforward strummer, and our electric guitar has a couple of real key riffs. So we want to make sure, if you're going to pay attention to anything, make sure you hit that intro, and you'll use that for all the tags as well. Keep an eye out for some of the cool palm muting as well in the verses. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. Choruses, we're always doing the same thing. It's going to sound like this. Kind of follows that melody line, starts with those triads, and then goes into the melody. I'll turn the effects off again. Essentially, we're playing on what looks like the 9th fret is actually the 7th fret in relationship to the capo, playing a real basic kind of D-shaped triad, so that middle finger's on the A, ring finger on what looks like 10, pointer finger on what looks like 9 of the G. And we're just 1, 2, 3, 4. Then even though the chords say going to a C, we just play a suspended, so we just put our pinky on there. 2, 3, 4. For the minor, we come up and make that little staircase, so pointer finger, middle finger on the B, ring on the G. 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So you're switching now to an octave on what looks like 12 and what looks like 9. And 1. Kind of do that little stutter following the melody. Now you can count that, but it is way easier to just listen to the melody. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then right back in. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 and 1. And that's your chorus. So I'm going to loop and tab that down below. Go ahead and give that a shot, and let's go on to the bridge. 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and a. Two and 3 and 4 and